March 15th is one of those dates that sneaks up on business owners every single year. You look at the calendar and suddenly it's like, wait, how is it already March? And more importantly, am I actually ready for this tax deadline? Because March 15th isn't just another date. For S-Corps, partnerships, and many multi-member LLCs, this is the big one. This is when your business return is due, or when your extension needs to be filed. And what you do right now can either save you money or cost you way more than you expect. So, let's talk about what business owners should be doing right now to protect their business, their cash flow, and their sanity. First, know if March 15th even applies to you. If your business is an S corporation, a partnership, or a multi-member LLC taxed as a partnership, March 15th is your filing deadline. If you're a C Corp, your deadline is usually April 15th. And if you're a sole proprietor, your business taxes are part of your personal return, which is also April 15th. But here's the catch. Just because your return might not be due on March 15th, doesn't mean you shouldn't ignore this date. March 15th is a checkpoint. It's when you should already have your financials together, your documents organized, and your tax strategy locked in. If you're still scrambling to find bank statements, receipts, payroll records, or expense logs right now, that's your first red flag. Step 1. Get your financials finalized. Your accountant can't work magic if you don't give them clean numbers. You need profit and loss statement, balance sheet, bank and credit card statements, payroll records, loan statements, equipment purchases, rent and utilities, marketing expenses, travel and meals, or any large or unusual transactions. If your books aren't reconciled yet, that's priority number 1, because bad books equals bad tax returns, and bad tax returns lead to audits, penalties, or overpaying. This is also the moment to double check your income. Make sure every deposit is categorized correctly. Loans, grants, and owner contributions shouldn't be counted as revenue, and missing income can come back to bite you later. Step 2, don't just file, plan. Too many business owners treat taxes like a chore instead of a strategy. They rush to file, sign whatever the accountant sends, and move on. But smart business owners use tax time to make better decisions. Ask questions like, did I pay too much in taxes last year? Am I missing deductions? Should I have changed my business structure? Am I paying myself the right way? Do I need to adjust my estimate payments? This is when you review things like vehicle write-offs, home office deductions, equipment depreciation, bonus depreciation or Section 179, R&D credits, employee benefit write-offs, and retirement contributions. Every one of these can change how much you owe. If your accountant isn't talking strategy with you, just compliance, you're leaving money on the table. Step 3, understand extensions. Filing an extension does not mean you get more time to pay. It only gives you more time to file the paperwork. If you owe money and don't pay by March 15th, you still get hit with penalties and interest, even if you file for an extension. So right now, you should be asking, do I owe? How much do I owe? Do I have the cash to cover it? If the answer is no, then you need a plan. And this is where a lot of business owners get into trouble. They wait too long, then panic, then either drain their operating account, skip payroll, miss rent, or max out on credit cards. That creates a cash flow problem that lasts way longer than tax season. Step 4, protect your cash flow. Taxes don't care about your slow month. They don't care if your clients paid late, and they don't care if sales dipped into February. The bill is still due. So you need to look at your cash position right now. Ask yourself, how much cash do I have? What bills are coming up? What taxes might be due? Can I handle this without hurting operations? If paying taxes is going to wipe you out, that's not just a tax problem, that's a cash flow problem. And cash flow problems kill businesses faster than bad sales. This is why smart business owners don't wait until the last second. They plan ahead. They create options. Sometimes that means negotiating payment plans with the IRS. Sometimes that means adjusting expenses. Sometimes that means using capital strategically instead of emotionally. Step 5. Use this moment to reset your business. Tax season isn't just about last year. It's a chance to fix what didn't work. Look at your numbers and ask, where did I really make money? Where did I lose money? Which expenses actually helped me grow? And which ones were just habits? If you spent heavy on marketing, well, did it pay off? If you hired, did revenue increase? And if you took on debt, did it help you scale or just survive? This is where real business owners separate themselves from just hustling. They stop guessing and start using data. Step 6, don't ignore funding as a tool. Here's the part no one talks about enough. sometimes the smartest move is not draining your business to pay taxes. There are times when preserving cash flow is more important than paying a lump sum out of pocket, especially if that cash is what you need to make payroll, fulfill contracts, buy inventory, or scale a profitable opportunity. Cash flow is oxygen. Without it, the business suffocates. That's where smart financing, used responsibly, can make sense. Not as a bailout, not as a panic move, but as a strategy. If you know taxes are due and paying them will hurt your operations, you should at least explore your options. Not every funding product is right for every business, but having options gives you leverage instead of stress. The worst position is having no plan and no options. Step 7, talk to professionals early. This is not the time to avoid your accountant, your bookkeeper, or your financial partners. This is the time to lean in. Send your documents, ask your questions, get clarity, and build a plan. Silence is what creates penalties. Confusion is what creates mistakes. And procrastination is what creates panic. The business owners who win aren't the ones who never have problems. They're the ones who deal with them early. Step 8, if you're behind, don't freeze. Maybe you're watching this thinking, I'm not ready, my books are a mess, I don't even know where to start. Freezing won't fix it. Start with one thing, upload your bank statements, reconcile 1 month, email your accountant, book a call. Progress beats perfection. Every day you wait, the problem gets more expensive. And remember, extensions exist, payment plans exist, solutions exist, but only if you act. March 15th is not just a deadline, it's a mirror. It shows you how well you managed your business last year. It shows you how organized you are. It shows you how prepared you are. And it gives you a chance to fix what didn't work before the next year gets away from you too. If you're a business owner, this is your moment to get serious, not just about taxes, but about how you run your business. Handle your numbers, protect your cash flow, use strategy, not panic, and build a business that's ready, not reactive. Because the goal isn't just to survive tax season. The goal is to build something that gets stronger every year. And look, if tax season is exposing cash flow gaps in your business, you're not failing. You're seeing reality. The question is, what do you do with that information? At Rock, we work with business owners every day who are strong, profitable, and growing, but still hit moments where timing matters more than totals, where they don't want to drain their business just to satisfy a deadline, miss payroll, or pass on an opportunity. That's why we focus on fast, flexible funding solutions built around real businesses' needs, not cookie-cutter loans, not endless waiting, and not confusing fine print. Whether you need working capital to cover a tax obligation, stabilize cash flow, or position your business for the next quarter, the right financing, used strategically, can protect what you've built instead of putting it at risk. And if March 15th is coming fast and you need clarity or capital, click the link in the description, connect with Rock, and see what your options really are. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for real-world business, funding, and cash flow strategies that actually matter. No fluff, no theories, just tools you can use.